Paper.
Woo.
Paper.
Yep.
Okay? $500 paper bonus.
That sounds ridiculous.
I'm Jager Allred. I have heavy ties to ES Solar, and I handle the commercial sales and some of that and the virtual sales here, but I can't think back to a better opportunity for me in the 10 years I've done solar than today, because I get to do something that is really, really near and dear to my heart, and that's direct a customer appreciation commercial for the people I care about most. I just need you guys to understand the vision before we actually get into this, because this is kind of a big deal for me and my family, because it's a big break, and you guys have an opportunity. This could be worldwide. Okay. I cannot stress this enough that you were a second option. I need you to just act like you're the first option.
Wow.
So I know that I was like second choice as the son, but like honestly, they couldn't have picked someone better, because clearly, look at me, I'm the son. I was born for this.
Am I the right guy for the job? I mean, you walk through the halls here at ES if you guys get to come and see our building, and I think it'd be pretty apparent that this is a face that's made for Hollywood. How much do you guys appreciate and love our customers? Jarrell, how much do you appreciate?
This much.
How much do you appreciate and love our customers?
As round as I am right now.
As round as you are right now. So listen, now you come in this corner right here. I need you to be kind of hidden out of the shot. And Jarrell, you're here, okay?
About time I get my solo shot.
You're gonna jump into the scene. You know the Kool-Aid Man? Do you know the Kool-Aid Man?
I honestly don't really know what I was doing here. They told me I could keep this cool hoodie, so here I am.
I think I did great. Here's the thing. We at ES, we really love our customers and appreciate them. I know sometimes it doesn't show by who we pick to act in these productions, but they did a good job. You can really see that we love our customers, and we want you guys to know. It's like, have you guys seen that movie? It's kind of low key. It's Titanic. It's kind of like the love between, I wouldn't say Jack and Rose, because Rose ultimately just let him go off the door, but maybe Rose and the Ruby, like that love, that connection. We're gonna have you for lifetime till we're 87 years old, and you know, you're important to us. So I think it went well. So are you saying the customers are the heart of the ocean? I would say the customers are the heart of ES Solar, the heart of the ocean, ES Solar. You know, in all my years of directing and acting, it dates back a long time. Just a little tidbit about me. I was made to be a star. I was studying. I think my wife was a little nervous that my one true love was acting and directing, because I had a whole library of acting books. I came home one day and they were just all gone. But my passion is still here, right next to ES. It's kind of the whole heart and next to our customers. So I think we did great. Mrs. Sun, Mrs. Solar Sun. And she's gonna walk out and she's gonna be the sun over the solar panels. And you're gonna say, I'm so glad I went solar with ES. And this opportunity was perfect directing a commercial for customer appreciation for you guys, because I have a name that's already derived in Hollywood. You know, Mick Jagger, moves like Jagger, Mick Jagger, Jägermeister, whatever you want to call me. Just don't call me late for dinner. Great opportunity. And you know, I heard they may be airing this on a pre-commercial at the KSL 10 o'clock news. So, big break.
Limited lifetime warranty.
5 years solar production guaranteed.
Discounts on future projects.
Discounted energy upgrades.
500 referral bonus.
500 referral bonus. Customer appreciation month prizes. Oh yeah.
Production guarantee.
Perfect.